guys, welcome back to my channel. So because you guys seem to love my past fashion overhaul video, I thought I would jump online and order a few more things because I was so obsessed with their quality of clothing for the price. It's literally probably become one of my favorite online shops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try on everything that I got. So the first item I got is this ribbed bodysuit. I kind of wish I went down a size, in a size small, because it is quite like big around here. I kind of wish it did give me a little bit of support around my boobs because I probably wouldn't wear a bra with it. But obviously they have buttons that you can do up or leave. I'll probably leave like one or two undone, just depending on how I'm feeling. But yeah, it's just like a full length. It's kind of like a little bit drapey here. That's why I didn't really like the size of this. But I guess you can always just like tuck it in tight to your jeans. But yeah, I do really like this top. It's really comfortable. It is quite thick, so perfect for winter. For those of you that don't know, Australia is now in winter. I got a few questions on my last video saying, but it's summer. Well, I actually lived in Australia and it's winter here, so just to quickly clear that up. And then I got these jeans. I think these jeans are definitely the most comfortable and the best looking on my body that I've gotten so far from Fashion Nova. I did have a look at the tag and it isn't actually by the brand Fashion Nova. It's from a different brand, but these ones are in a size 7. They are a bit bigger than their traditional Fashion Nova, like their brand size 7, but I like how snug it is. It just fits really nicely. It doesn't dig in or anything. Like, I do have quite a bit of room, if you guys can see, but it's just comfortable. It doesn't ride down, they don't ride up. I don't know, I just really like this style of jean. So these are what the jeans look like from below the waist. So they are high-waisted and they do have a few rips, but not too many. So if you're wanting to try out some ripped jeans that don't have like massive gaping holes here, like the ones that I've previously purchased, then these are definitely the jeans for you. They are so comfortable. Like, I cannot get over how comfortable they are. Like, I'm obsessed with them. If they do have different colors in this particular style, I'm literally buying them straight away. But yeah, they are the first pair of jeans. I did get quite a few pairs, so this is the first pair of jeans that I got. So next outfit I picked up was this leopard bodysuit. Love how it sits on my chest area and just how it fits. I did get a size medium in this. I didn't expect the material to be like a, you know when you like feel something up and it feels nice, and then when you go down it feels like furry and not nice to touch. That's the material of this top. But other than that, I do like how it's kind of like, it looks sort of silky and shiny in light. But I've been on the hunt to find a really nice leopard bodysuit and I found one and I really like. I like the skinny straps here. I like how it goes straight across the chest area. I don't know, I'm just like really digging this top right now. And then I got another pair of jeans. I don't have any black Fashion Nova jeans, so I got this style. I will show you guys what they look like from the waist down in a second, but these ones are definitely comfortable. However, they are definitely a lot thinner than the previous ones that I've tried on, and definitely thinner than my other Fashion Nova jeans that I got last haul. So they're in a probably not really jegging, but it's not like a jean material. It's thinner than that. But again, they are very comfortable and very like, they feel nice. So this is what the rips look like on the jeans. So there's just a few distressing here, and then again a big one on the just above the knee area. But they are full length all the way down to the bottom, skinny, high-waisted. But yeah, I do really like these, but I would definitely prefer the previous style in black. I'm gonna have to definitely check online if they do have, but I do really like these jeans as well. I just kind of wish they were a little bit thicker. But in saying that, like, they're not see-through or anything like that, but they do fit really well up here. Like, they do still have a bit to give. Like, I don't know if I'm like showing you guys properly, but I don't really like really tight jeans because I feel like it's really unflattering, especially if you're wearing something tucked in or wearing a crop, because then like this whole bit like bulges. But yeah, size 7 for me. I think is around a size 11 in Australian sizes, I kind of figured out. But yeah, I really love this top and jeans I like how they look together. So yeah, that is the second outfit that I got. So next outfit I got is actually a set. So it comes with these grey trackies that, not gonna lie, aren't like the most flattering. Like I wish they were a size bigger because I kind of prefer like the whole baggy tracksuit bit, but it basically just has like a tight sort of band around here, and then like it doesn't really hug you in the right places that it should. I don't know, it just does, it's not that flattering on me anyways, but they are very comfortable. The only reason why I got this set was for the top because it looks like Tommy Hilfiger, and I'm just like obsessed with grey at the moment, especially in like cropped hoodies. So pick this one up. I do really like them together as a set, but as I said before, it's just not the most flattering on my hips. So I probably, I don't know, wouldn't wear this set like at the house or probably to the airport. I would definitely wear this like on a long haul flight with like different grey trackies, ones that I like. But yeah, I just don't really like the pants. But if you're of course thinner than me and you don't have these love handles here on the side, then they definitely, I think, would look way better on you. But as I said before, I did just basically get this set because of the top. So yeah. So next outfit I got, these don't necessarily go together, but I pretty much just got those same black jeans but in this green color because I don't have this color in pants. I don't know, I've never really seen jean colors like this before, but yeah, it's definitely not a khaki. It's definitely darker than a khaki. But let's just talk about this like bodysuit. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's like one of my favorite things from the haul. I definitely would wear it with like a high-waisted skirt just because you can see the seams kind of stop here, like just underneath. So obviously you couldn't wear them with like high or low-waisted jeans because it just kind of looks silly. Like you'd have to wear it with like a skirt or even pants that go up to here. But I just think it's just so flattering on my chest area and on my arms. I was so nervous, not nervous because it was pretty cheap, but like I was like, this probably won't look nice, but I'll just get it anyways. But I'm so glad I did because I don't really have that many dressy jumpsuit type tops that I can wear with skirts like to go out or like go out to dinner or somewhere nice. Like I only really have like plain bodysuits, but I really like this one. But yeah, to go out in. So I definitely would wear this sort of top with maybe like, as I said before, a high-waisted skirt where you can cover this bit. Probably wouldn't wear them with this jeans, especially this color, but I just thought I would show you guys anyways. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. So it's just all the way high back and then the front. Okay, so next thing I picked up was this set. This was a bit risky for me because I just wasn't sure how this top would fit with my boobs. And I don't know if I like the skirt that goes with it. I'm not sure, but I'm obsessed with the top. 100% love the top. If I was to wear this out, I probably would wear tape here just in case because it is quite a silky sort of material. So I would be scared to like pop a nip if I was out. But this top is seriously, it's so amazing. It just goes off the shoulder and then it has frilly sort of sleeves. And then it comes with a matching skirt. I don't know, I don't usually wear matching sets like this. It does taper in at the waist with a band, but then again, it needs to be like this material all the way down here to kind of make this bit flattering. It's just not very flattering, I feel like, on my hip area. I don't know, it's just like tight here and then it just like goes loose. And yeah, I don't know if I would wear this skirt with the top, but I would definitely wear this top with like jeans or a skirt. But yeah, I really do like the pattern of this set as well. Just not a massive fan of the skirt. Okay, so this next bodysuit I got was this white one. I just liked how it looked on the model. This necklace does not work well with what's happening up here, but I don't know, I just really liked this sort of bit. I don't have any bodysuits like it. I just paired these with the first jeans that we tried on. I probably wouldn't wear this sort of top out. It's not thick. It's like in between a thick and thin material, but not thin enough where you can see through. Can see a little bit of an outline of them, which is probably why I wouldn't wear this like out clubbing or anything. I definitely would wear this, but I probably would wear it with nipple covers just in case. But I just love the design at the top here. It's just really different and I haven't seen it before. So the next bodysuit I got was something pretty plain. I just needed something just kind of like for work, and yeah, just something really plain because I don't really have many plain bodysuits. So this one's just a thicker, actually it's not that thick, it's probably like medium thickness. This is really, really comfortable. I'm glad I got a medium in this because I don't know, I just think the small would have been just a little bit too restricting and tight, but yeah, I really like this one. I also got it in a white, so I will show you guys what that one looks like as well. This one is a tad see-through, so definitely would wear nipple covers with this one. But yeah, I really do like these singlets, they're super comfortable. Okay, so next thing I picked up was this jacket. I've seen this print all over Instagram lately, and I just think it's super cute to actually wear with this outfit as well. And it's kind of like corporate vibes as well, but then again, also you can dress it up and go out with it. I probably wouldn't wear this sort of top underneath if I was to wear this out, but I do really like it. It's super flattering, it fits your body really well, it's not restricting on the arms. This one is in a medium. This is what it just looks like from the back. I like how it's not long, because like I feel like those kind of coats are a bit much for me. I don't really like how it's like folding this way. I might have to like pin that or sew that so it stays like that. But yeah, it doesn't like do up or anything. But yeah, I really like this jacket, surprisingly. I didn't think I would. I was like, oh, I'll just get it, see what it looks like. Worst comes to worst, I'll just give it away or something. But yeah, I do really like it. It's cute. Okay, so next crop top I picked up was this white one. Surprisingly, it actually isn't see-through like I thought that this top would be, but it's not. It's quite like a thick material, but it's like quite flimsy as well with thin straps. I personally probably would have preferred the whole straight look here, but again, it was pretty cheap, and yeah, I just really like cropped at the moment with like jeans. So yeah. Okay, so this is a sports bra that I picked up. It is quite supportive. I did go for a large just because I tend to go a size bigger when it comes to sports bras, just because sometimes they are a bit small, like the mediums, because of my boob. This size, the large, seems to fit really nicely. Personally, I don't think I would wear it to cardio sessions because my boobs still do move around a little bit in them, but for weight sessions at F45, I would definitely wear this. I really like the back of it. It's like, it's got like 3 straps here and then that at the top. But yeah, I really like this sports bra. I don't really have that many white ones, that's why I decided to pick some up. But yeah, definitely next order I'm gonna have a shop around and see if they have any other cute crops. So I just did that really, really quickly. I was like, oh, I'll just add that to my cart because it was really cheap. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this fashion overhaul again. Let me know if you want to see more on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.